Since I couldn't get the Osmo Pocket 4, I just decided to go out and get the Osmo Pocket 3. I'm late to the game, but my husband and I are taking a vacation in a couple of weeks, and we want to have a dedicated vlogging camera instead of using our phones. So unbox my Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo with me. The reason why I got the Creator Combo is because it comes with all of the accessories that you need. Even though we do already have the mic minis, this comes with the mic too. So we're just gonna have an extra mic. All of the fancy paperwork. Wah, wah, wah. Let's see what's in here. An awfully big box for one thing. In that box, it was the protective cover that goes onto the unit itself. And I'm guessing everything else is in here. Handy dandy case. It's a nice little case, actually. I guess they want to show you that everything fits in here. Start out with the main attraction. Okay, this is cute. This is really, really cute. So the reason why I want a dedicated vlogging camera is A, because I don't want to waste the battery on my phone while we're out and about traveling and having like 12 to 14 hour days. I also don't want to waste the memory on my phone taking videos of everywhere we go, basically. And this is just really small and compact compared to my phone. So I feel like this would be way more discreet when trying to film, and it's super easy to just turn on and off. And if I want to film in vertical or horizontal, it's very easy at the click of a button. So, and the last thing is that because this has a gimbal on it, it is going to be a lot smoother of a video versus a phone. You're subjected to however you hold your phone, basically. So this is how it goes in the case. I like that it protects the screen and also protects the gimbal. So if you're carrying it in a bag, this is how it would go, and it would protect the entire unit. Also in here we have the mic 2. I'm not sure if I'm going to use this or use my mic minis. I will do an audio test between the two, so stay tuned for that. This is the extra battery handle that comes with it. So this basically extends the life of the battery that is in here. It's really good to have if you are out all day filming, so you have extra battery. It also extends the entire unit, so it's a little bit easier to hold and maneuver. This is the regular extended arm that comes with the unit itself to attach to the bottom and extend the unit. Because these buttons are right here, sometimes people with bigger hands have a hard time holding it. So what this does is allows you to hold it a little bit lower and then maneuver these buttons and flip this screen right there. And this is the size difference between the extended arm that comes with it and the extra battery pack. It's about double the size. This is the tripod that also comes with the Creator Combo. So this connects to the bottom and allows you to sit it on a table if you're filming in like a restaurant, or if you're just filming like at a desk or something like that. It comes with a regular screw. The screw does not attach directly to the bottom of the unit though. It only will attach to the bottom of the battery pack or the bottom of the extended arm that comes with the unit. So that's one thing to note. So we have, I believe, a charging cord. We also have the windscreen for the mic. This is a wrist strap for the unit itself to protect it from dropping. This is a little magnet that comes with it that magnets to the back of the mic. So you can put it like on your shirt, or alternatively, it has a clip, so you can clip it onto things as well. And then the last thing that comes with it is a wide angle lens. And this attaches to the front of the unit right here. So you get 5 extra millimeters, I believe, wider. So we'll test it out. I'm not sure if I'll actually use this. If I didn't get the Creator Combo, I probably wouldn't have purchased this extra, but we'll see if it makes a difference. I'll let you guys know. What I wish it would have came with was an ND filter. I feel like those are almost a necessity when shooting with this camera, but I'm going to do a bunch of tests out in full sun, of course, here in Florida, and see if that's something that I need to purchase separately. You guys let me know. Also want to point out that this case that it came with is really cool because it has all of these different sections and different pockets. And it even had these little slide pockets for the little things too. So that's a pretty cool case, honestly. And it seems pretty, like it's not just cloth. It's like, it has some protection. It's not a hard case, but it has some protection. So if you're interested to see the difference in quality between this and an iPhone 15 Pro Max, stay tuned. I will be filming a bunch of content tomorrow and putting together a video for you guys.